Hello, good evening everybody. Welcome to AIMS India's live session, Biology for 7th standard, Food Components. From the past two classes, we are discussing about different food components. In the yesterday's class, we discussed about the vitamins. So let us continue the discussion about vitamins, minerals and balanced diet in this video. So vitamins are the chemical nutrients which are essential nutrients. Why vitamins are called essential nutrients, children? Because they are required. They are not all vitamins are synthesized in our body. That's why they are obtained only through the food which we eat. Hence they are called essential nutrients. They are micronutrients. Why they are called micronutrients? Vitamins are called micronutrients. Why they are called micronutrients? Because they are required in micrograms, very small micrograms. And they are called vital nutrients. Why vitamins are called vital nutrients? Because most of the important metabolic activities, physiological functions like digestion, respiration, these are under the control of vitamins. So let us proceed. Vitamins are classified into two main categories based on their solubility. They are water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. So what are water soluble vitamins? Water soluble vitamins include vitamin B complex and vitamin C. So vitamin B complex, a complex vitamin which consists of different group of vitamins. Vitamin B1 first. Vitamin B1, the chemical name is thiamine. It is needed for proper working of the heart, digestive and nervous systems. So these vitamin B complex, they involve in the metabolism of the enzymes and the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins and fats depends upon the availability of these vitamins. Vitamin B1. Thiamine is required for proper functioning of heart, digestive system and nervous system. Then vitamin B2. The chemical name of vitamin B2 is riboflavin. It is important for growth and repair of tissues and especially the tissue or the skin present in the mouth, okay, and also in the eyes. So riboflavin or vitamin B2 is required for the repair of tissues and also growth. Vitamin B3, niacin or nicotinic acid. Vitamin B3, it is also called niacin or nicotinic acid. So it helps to release energy from food and important for growth and helps control cholesterol levels. Cholesterol levels can be controlled in the presence of vitamin B3. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is also called pyridoxine. Pyridoxine is the chemical name of vitamin B6. It is important for brain function and immune system and maintenance of health. So if you take the sources of these vitamins, vitamin B complex, almost they are present in whole grains, the seed coat of different grains or cereals. They are rich in vitamin B complex and they are present in the fresh leafy vegetables. Sprouted seeds also the rich sources of this vitamin B complex. Next, nuts, eggs, milk, meat, liver, Okay, these are all the products from the animals which are rich in vitamin B complex. So let us study some more vitamins. Water soluble vitamins. Pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid is also one of the B complex vitamin. It helps in the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. Cyanocobalamin. It is a B complex vitamin. It works with foliate to form new blood and new nerve cells and also synthesis of DNA. Okay, very important vitamin. Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. It works with the folate, means folic acid along with it, to produce new RBC and neurons and also the DNA. Biotin. Biotin vitamin, it is also called, commonly it is called vitamin B7. It is important for growth and nerve cell formation. Growth and nerve cell formation. Next, folate or folic acid. It produces the red blood cells, RBC and DNA along with this vitamin B12 and keeps the nervous system healthy. Next, ascorbic acid. The last water soluble vitamin, ascorbic acid or vitamin C. It is needed for healthy skin, healthy gums, teeth, bones and cartilage. So the main function of this ascorbic acid is it assists with absorption of some types of iron. Okay, or metabolism of iron depends upon the availability of ascorbic acid. As we know that iron is required for the formation of blood or hemoglobin. And it also assists with wound healing and resistance to infection. So this is the vitamin. It is one of the heat sensitive vitamin. And this vitamin is richly available in different types of food materials. Particularly vitamin C is present in the citrus fruits like oranges and lemon, okay, berries, different types of berries, okay, and guava fruit is also simple and rich source of this and amla or Indian gooseberry. It is also one of the richest source of this vitamin C. And the remaining B complex vitamin, they are present in the whole grains, bread, fish, milk, meat, liver, and all the different types of the fresh green leafy vegetables are rich in these vitamins, water soluble vitamins. So children, what are water soluble vitamins? Water soluble vitamins are the group of vitamins which are soluble in water. They are vitamin B complex and vitamin C. What are the vitamins present in the vitamin B complex? Vitamin B1, thiamine, vitamin B2, riboflavin, vitamin B3, niacin or nicotinic acid, okay, and vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, pantothenic acid, folic acid, biotin or vitamin B7. These are all, and vitamin B6. It is also called pyridoxine. These are the B complex vitamins, and ascorbic acid or vitamin C. These are all the water soluble vitamins. Okay. Next, come to fat soluble vitamins. What are fat soluble vitamins? The vitamins which are soluble in the fat, they are called fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are classified into four main types. They are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. So let us study one by one. Vitamin A, retinol. The chemical name of vitamin A is retinol. It is essential for eyesight, especially night vision is under the control of this vitamin. Okay, it builds the immunity or ability to fight infections and keeps the skin in the mouth and respiratory tract and urinary tract, and it maintains the moist or protects against the harmful bacteria. So vitamin A, very important vitamin. This vitamin is available in the form of carotene from the red vegetables like carrot, beetroot, papaya. They are rich sources of vitamin A. Then vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin. This vitamin is chemical name is calciferol. Calciferol is a vitamin D, fat soluble vitamin. It works with the calcium and phosphorus to make strong, healthy bones and teeth. What is the main function of this vitamin D? Vitamin D helps in the formation of strong, healthy bones and teeth. So this vitamin, along with the calcium, it plays very important role. So actually, this vitamin is synthesized in the body with the help of sunlight. The cholesterol fat which is present beneath the skin, some useful cholesterol converted into the calciferol in the presence of photochemical reaction or in the presence of sunlight. So early morning sunlight is a rich source of this vitamin D. Next, what are the functions? Or if the deficiency in vitamin D can cause rickets, which increase the chance of a child having fractures. So that's why early morning you have to get up early before 6:30 or 7 in the morning at least, and you have to take sun bath. Sun bath is actually the process where the people near the beaches or sea coast, so they will expose their body to the sunlight, early morning sunlight. So depending upon the possibility, you have to stay in the sunlight, morning sunlight, for at least half an hour. Okay, that is helpful in the synthesis of vitamin D, and that will avoid the deficiency of vitamin D, because nowadays fractures are most common because of deficiency of vitamin D. Next, vitamin E. Vitamin E is also called tocopherol. It is also a fat soluble vitamin. This acts as an antioxidant and play a role in preventing cancer and heart disease. Cancer and heart diseases can be controlled in the presence of this vitamin E. So that's why it's most important vitamin. Next, vitamin K. Vitamin K is also called phylloquinone, and it is essential for the blood clotting, or it is also called as anti-hemorrhage vitamin. It will prevent the hemorrhage or loss of blood during the injuries or wounds. So what are the sources common? Here vitamin E is present in the fresh leafy vegetables, particularly this broccoli, drumsticks, and the leaves of drumstick are also rich in vitamin E. And cow milk is also rich source, and along with that baby corns. Okay, so they are the rich sources of these vitamins. Vitamin A present in the fish liver oil or cod liver oil. That only the marine fish, cod liver oil is used as a supplement for vitamin A, and red carrots, beetroots, and papaya fruits are rich in vitamin A. And sprouted seeds are also rich in these vitamins. Okay, children, what are fat soluble vitamins? Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Vitamin A chemical name is retinol. Vitamin D chemical name is calciferol. Vitamin E chemical name is tocopherol. Vitamin K chemical name is phylloquinone. Next, let us see what are the different minerals and functions of minerals. Minerals are also micronutrients. They are required in micrograms. Some of the minerals are called major elements, which are required in large quantities. Okay, and some of them are called trace elements, which are required in small quantities. So some of the important minerals and their functions, let us go through. Calcium. Calcium is an essential for building strong, healthy bones and teeth. So as we already studied that, calcium along with vitamin D is required for formation of strong, healthy bones and teeth. Next, calcium helps in muscle contraction. It's also very important function. And nerve function. And it also helps in the clotting of blood. Calcium acts as one of the factor in the clotting of blood. And it also required by lactating women for the production of milk. Next, iron. Iron, actually it is a trace element. It is abundantly present in the RBC cells. So it helps the red blood cells carry oxygen around the body, and it prevents a disease called anemia. Anemia is a disease caused due to deficiency of iron. Calcium deficiency causes osteoporosis. Okay, and next, iodine. Iodine is a very important nutrient, and it will promote the normal functioning of thyroid gland. The thyroid gland, one of the important endocrine gland, which is present in the neck region, that is throat region, and this iodine helps the production of thyroxine hormone, okay, and helps the brain function and normal growth. Growth and metabolism is the main function of iodine, that is the function of thyroxine hormone. Okay. This deficiency causes goiter disease, enlargement of thyroid gland. Next, sodium or common salt. Sodium controls nerve impulse or nerve transmission, and it helps to maintain water balance or osmotic balance. So sodium every day in our diet we will include, no problem. Next, potassium. Potassium is another important mineral. It controls nerve impulses and muscle contractions and helps to maintain fluid balance, means osmotic balance. Okay. So these are also, mostly these minerals are available in the food which we eat, fresh leafy vegetables along with water. Water plays very important role in obtaining the minerals. Okay. And common salt, iodized salt, which contains sodium, iodine, chloride, all these three. And milk and milk products contain the calcium. And fresh leafy vegetables like spinach, amaranthus, and cabbage contain the iron. Okay. The potassium is also present in the fresh leafy vegetables and sprouted seeds. Next, let us proceed to another important food component, roughage. What is roughage or dietary fiber? It is also called dietary fiber. So being rich in fiber, it absorbs water and helps in food movement inside the intestine. The functions of roughage: the first function, it is rich in fiber, it absorbs water and helps in food movement inside the intestine. And it also helps in bowel movement by preventing constipation. Undigested food material in the large intestine or in the rectum is passed out through anus. That movement is called the bowel movement. It helps in bowel movement and prevents constipation. Constipation means irregular motions. Next, it is richly available in beans, peas, cereals, wheat, lady's finger. These are all the food materials which are rich in roughage, or we can say it is available richly in the fresh green leafy vegetables. Next, what is the requirement of this roughage every day means? Daily we need 12.8 to 14.8 grams of roughage every day. Okay, this is the requirement of this roughage. Okay, so these are all the fresh leafy vegetables. Okay, carrot, okay, onions, plantlets of onions, okay, capsicum, spinach, beetroot, cauliflower, okay, corn, asparagus is also one of the rich. Okay, these are all the food materials which are rich in roughage. And finally, about water also we have to discuss briefly. Water is an essential nutrient, I can say. Do you agree? Water is essential nutrient. Water is an essential nutrient. Why? Why water is an essential nutrient? Because it is required. It is required in amounts that exceed the body's ability to produce it. Actually, the water present in the food materials are also assimilated by our body, absorbed by our body. That is called metabolic water. The water which is released during the metabolic functions like respiration, digestion, that water is absorbed. That is metabolic water. Along with that, we also need some extra water through the food materials which we eat and the water we drink. And all biochemical reactions. Biochemical reactions means digestion, respiration, excretion, transport. All these biochemical reactions require water. Water acts as a medium for the activity of all these. That's why hydrolytic enzymes we are saying. Digestion means in the presence of hydrolytic enzymes. What are hydrolytic enzymes? Nothing but the enzymes which are activated in the presence of water. Next, or which breaks the substrate by adding water. Next, water is it fills the intercellular spaces. We are multicellular organisms. The intercellular spaces are filled with water, or it is a part of matrix of the cell or protoplasm of the cell. Next, it regulates body temperature and maintains osmotic balance. That's why how much water we require every day? We need nearly 3.7 liters of water. Okay, that is around 15 cups of water for a man and 2.7 liters of water for women. Okay, so finally about balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A mixed diet containing all the essential requirements in their right quantities is necessary for body's proper growth. Such a diet is called a balanced diet, or a diet which fulfills all the nutrients. Okay, which fulfills all the nutrients. What are the nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins, minerals, water, roughage. All these, it is called as a balanced diet. In a balanced diet, all types of food materials are present. Energy giving foods. What are energy giving foods? Carbohydrates, fats, and bodybuilding foods. What are bodybuilding foods? Proteins. And protective foods. What are protective foods? Vitamins and minerals are present in right proportions or correct proportions. How much it is required. Okay, that much is present. Then it is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet thus provides the body with all essential nutrients, all the materials necessary for proper growth and repair of the body, and also energy required by the body to carry out its life activities. Okay. So, three main functions of balanced diet once again. It fulfills all the essential nutrients. Number two, all materials necessary for proper growth and repair of body are and energy required by the body to carry out its life activities. These are the main functions of balanced diet. And too much is too bad. That is, overeating may also lead to a disorder called obesity. Okay, about this in the next class we are going to discuss obesity. Okay, overeating may also lead to obesity. This often leads to other problems like cardiovascular problems, heart diseases, and blood pressure. These problems together called cardiovascular problems, renal problems, problems related to kidneys. Okay, so a balanced diet. An egg is a balanced diet for a child, growing child. Every day one egg, a glass of milk. Okay, so anything which consists of all the nutrients in required proportion is called a balanced diet. So that's why an infant get balanced diet from the mother's milk. A mother's milk is a balanced diet. It depends on the type of food the mother consumes. It relates to the nutrients present in the milk. That's why lactating mother has to take balanced diet. Okay, once again, what we have learned today. What we have learned today. Our body requires vitamins. What are those vitamins? Fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, D, E and K, which are soluble in fat. They are fat soluble vitamins. Next, vitamin B complex and vitamin C. These are water soluble vitamins. Our body can synthesize only two main vitamins. They are vitamins D and vitamin K. So some intestinal bacteria, even vitamin B12 also to some extent synthesized in our intestine by E. coli bacteria. Escherichia coli bacteria present in our intestine will synthesize some of the vitamins. That's the reason why doctors suggest not to consume more antibiotics. If you consume more antibiotics, what happened? Those useful bacteria also killed, so which will lead to vitamin deficiency and digestion problems. So the important vitamins of B complex are vitamin B1. What is the chemical name of B1? Recall. Come on, answer. Those who are in live chat. Vitamin B1 is also called thiamine. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. Vitamin B3, niacin or nicotinic acid. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. vitamin B7, biotin, vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, folic acid, pantothenic acid. These are together called as vitamin B complex. Next, important minerals required by our body. What are the important mineral elements which are required by our body? They are iron, calcium, iodine, potassium, magnesium, sodium, chloride. So these are all very important, because magnesium, sometimes it deficiency may cause cancers also, because some of the enzymes require these minerals. These minerals may act as cofactors or for the activity of enzymes. Okay, they are required. Iron deficiency causes anemia. Calcium deficiency causes rickets and osteoporosis. Iodine deficiency causes goiter. Okay, and the sodium and chloride, potassium, these three are very important in neuronal activity, nerve impulse or nerve transmission, and also maintains osmotic balance, water balance in the body. Balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? You can write in your own sentences. A mixed food which include all the required nutrients in a required proportion or fixed proportion. It is called a balanced diet. Okay. So shall we proceed to the quiz? Any doubt? So let us proceed. Food components, quiz number 3. This vitamin is important for growth and development and for the maintenance of the immune system and good vision. Come on, all of you, be ready to answer the question. Vitamin B1, vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin C. So we have thoroughly revised about the vitamins so far. So you can answer in the live chat. Which vitamin is important for growth and development and maintains the immune system and good vision? Good vision is added here. Yes? Yes. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is the right answer. That is B option. Option B is a correct one. Next question. This vitamin is used by animals to carboxylate certain proteins which are involved in blood coagulation and bone formation. Carboxylate certain proteins and also involved in blood coagulation, means clotting of blood, and bone formation. Vitamin K, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin D. Here carboxylate, the meaning is carboxylate is nothing but a conjugate base of carboxylic acid. Okay. So you will study in higher classes the functional group RCOOH minus. Okay. So this is added carboxylic acid. Okay. Gets in the metabolic functions during respiration. Okay. they are organic acids are formed. That you will study in higher classes. So here, answer the question. Which involved in blood coagulation? Very simple. And bone formation. Here, vitamin. Those who are in live chat, please answer. Yes, vitamin K. Blood coagulation, anti-hemorrhage vitamin is vitamin K. Next, choose the fat-soluble vitamins. So, it is a multi-correct answer. See all the options. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. What is the right option here? All are correct. So, A, B, C, D. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. All these are fat-soluble vitamins. Next. Choose water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Here vitamin B represent B complex vitamin. Choose water-soluble vitamins. So here also more than one option you have to select. What are they? Vitamin B and vitamin C. Vitamin B, B complex, which include vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, B7, B12, folic acid, pantothenic acid, biotin. Okay, complex vitamin. Vitamin B and vitamin C. So B and C options are correct. This vitamin is called retinol. Which vitamin is called retinol, or what is the chemical name of the vitamin retinol? Common name of vitamin retinol. The chemical name is retinol here. You have to choose the common name. Vitamin B12, vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin K. So what is the common name of vitamin B12 here? Cyanocobalamin. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Vitamin K, phylloquinone. So here vitamin A is the right answer. So what is the correct answer? Option B. Vitamin A is called retinol. Next. Next question. A chemical name of vitamin B7. A chemical name of vitamin B7. Folic acid, pantothenic acid, riboflavin, biotin. Come on, select the right option. In the discussion, I mentioned about vitamin B7. Recall folic acid, pantothenic acid, riboflavin, biotin. Okay. So, what is the right answer? Biotin. D is the right answer. Biotin is also called vitamin B7. Biotin. Next question. Good sources of this vitamin include cow milk, dairy products, fish and eggs. Vitamin B7, vitamin B12, vitamin B2. Good sources of this vitamin include cow milk, dairy products, fish and eggs. Come on, answer the question, children. Yes, vitamin B7 or biotin. Biotin is the uh, present in cow milk, dairy products, fish and eggs. Dash is calciferol vitamin. Vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin C. Dash is calciferol vitamin, or calciferol is the chemical name of which vitamin? Yes, vitamin D. A is the correct option. Vitamin D is calciferol vitamin. Anti-sterility vitamin. Which vitamin is called anti-sterility vitamin? Vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin F, vitamin K. What is the right answer here? Vitamin E. A is the right option. Vitamin E is also called anti-sterility vitamin because its deficiency in females lead to abortions and sterility in the males. So that's why vitamin E is required for normal functioning of reproductive organs. So anti-aging vitamin also it is. Which vitamin is anticoagulant agent? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Here you have to understand the term anticoagulant. Okay, so which will coagulate the blood or which helps in the clotting of blood. So vitamin A, D, E, K. Among these, which is anticoagulant agent? Vitamin K. Vitamin K is the anticoagulant agent or which prevents the clotting of, which helps in the clotting of blood. Name the vitamin that protects us from pellagra disease. This pellagra disease, about these again deficiency diseases. In the next class we are going to discuss. Vitamin B7 biotin, vitamin B5, B3 and B6. So vitamin B3 niacin deficiency causes pellagra disease. Vitamin B3 deficiency. Okay children, thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and get live updates.